Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's try to create this presentation. If you like it and like to know how to create it, don't forget to like and subscribe. You see, it's a great thing at the option like we are searching in the Google. And the next slide. At first, let's try to create this slide. This is the easy one. We simply copy the picture. After copying them, go to crop and crop them to this shape. You see, this is the effect. And for this shadow, we go to picture effect and we go to reflection and choose the reflection. You see, these are the reflections that we can create. Use the reflection for the picture, and the text are just the simple text and nothing more than that. But the important thing is here how we can create these things. It's pretty simple, but it has a hint. What is the hint is that you see or not. It's two Google type. Why there are two? Because we need to get some of them up and down of the text. For the text, when we are going to set the animation of the text fly in, we are going to send the animation fly in and from the right. You see, it's fly in from the right, and because it's downer, here. It's in the back of this slide. It's like it's coming from nowhere to the page, but we need to have the animation pane to change some modification on it. First, we go to effect options and we go to all at once by letter, and then we are going to delay between the letter, increase it a little, and the timing with previous, and we call it, for example, 3 seconds, and then okay. Now when we run it, you'll see it's like the text is adding to the slide. Now we just simply create this, and after that I love to add something to the previous presentation. I copy all the things in this slide and bring them here and send them back, and then I copy these two things here, and then I simply bring this out and bring this out and set the transition to morph. Now let's see how our slide is going to look like. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a nice time. Let's see the magic. And then the transition. Okay, if you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a nice time. Until then, bye.